Full rainbow. Double, actually. Well, kind of. Pretty cool. Don't see many.
Ah, yes. Now it will be termite free, along with the many other ones we're going to put in there. It's too long.
That's why I was wanting a spray bottle. We'll do the ones that'll fit, and then
We need to put somewhere where the too long ones are.
just put them off to the side. We'll have to do those later. We'll have to get a spray bottle for those.
Alright, that's enough for that video, I'm sure. They know what we're doing.
Okay. Go ahead and shake it. You gotta be wet.
They're wet!
Okay. Alright, here, you wanna, so I can do my intro video. I'm just leaving it on, so.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. So, for today, pretty much for this week, but we are dipping the oak into Cedarcide. No, this is not a promotion, but I've used this before and it works well.
It smells
and
like
then
cedar.
we will be putting them into the big boxes so that they can sit there for a couple of days and pretty much fumigate in there. And that should kill anything. That should kill anything that might be living in here, including mold and bacteria and other stuff. So that's what we're doing today. And I only have my phone with me today, so we're not going to videotape all this. We'll just show you when we're done. Oh, and also we're going to be taking the big, or some of the big pile home. So.
Free range wood. Gotta take it home.
Free range wood. Yep. Okay, that's it. Wasn't recording.
So we discovered a weird quirk of our cedar oil. This is the size the glove was. It fit my hand perfectly. Now this is the size of it now. And I think it might, I don't know if it's permanent, but this doesn't fit my hand anymore. It's like an alien hand. And yeah, don't wear gloves when you do dip stuff in cedar. Your gloves will turn into this.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Well, so much for those gloves.
Alright, so we've got these two boxes here full of our now oak, cedar, whatever. This box over here, our pile got quite a bit smaller. I think we got about a third of it done, close to it. That's the wood that was too long to fit in the truck. And we got most of this pile over here taken out. And that's what we did today. And that's all we're doing today. Now we're going home.
Oh, for a news update on my gloves. It never got any better. They're still...
Yeah, they didn't, they like soaked up the cedar oil and expanded.
They're ET gloves now. Friend.
Okay, so now you have to take the glove and you have to go like, subscribe.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna put on our alien glove. Okay, they're on backwards, but whatever. Oh no. Alright, like, subscribe, visit our Patreon, and visit our Facebook online.
Twitter and Instagram too.
Your Twitter. I don't have enough fingers, ma'am, for that. You see all my fingers? Alright, visit us online. Or our Patreon, or subscribe, like, all the good fancy stuff. Remember, don't put gloves in cedar oil.